Hello and welcome. This is the review video of Urdu alphabet Alif to Say. Let's start the video. Urdu alphabet first letter is Alif. Alif. Urdu alphabet second letter is Alif Madda. Alif Madda. Alif sound is A. Alif Madda sound is A. Third alphabet is B. B. And its sound is B. Its fourth alphabet is P. P. And its sound is P. Next alphabet is T. T. And T sound is T. 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 And T sound is Ta. The last letter is Say. Say. And its sound is Sa. Let's review the complete lesson. You can practice with me. Alif A. Alif Madda A. B. Ba. B. Ba. T. Ta. T. Ta. Say. Sa. Now read with me Urdu alphabet and their sound. Alif A. Alif Madda A. B. Ba. P. Pa. T. Ta. T. Ta. Say. Sa. Now pause the video and do practice this. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel for more educational content like this.